Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to insert a link into your email on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook, as well as a link that we will be inserting into the email. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the Microsoft Outlook application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Once that has loaded, now let's go to the top left corner of the screen to compile a new email. Click on this. Now what we will do is move into the body of the email where we will be compiling the email. So hello. This is a test email. Please see the link below. We will get to inserting the link, and then we would say kind regards. And this is coming from the admin account, full stop. Let's now go into recipient. Type in the ComputerScienceVideos business@gmail account. Double click on this to expand to confirm that it is ComputerScienceVideos business@gmail.com. Go to subject. Let's just say test email. And now before we were to, let's just say, send this email, let's now go to the top navigation menu where we have insert link. Click on this, insert a link. We can now use this to insert a link. What I will do is move to another desktop. Now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now what I will do is navigate to my YouTube studio, as we will be linking to the channel itself. Let's now go into customization. Go into branding or basic information. And now copy the custom URL. Close Safari for the moment. Go back to your email. Within address, Command V to paste. Click on OK. And this will now create that clickable hyperlink that will take the recipient, when he or she receives the email, for them to click on this link. So we can now send the email. As you can tell by the notification, this email has now been sent to the Computer Science Videos business Gmail account. Let's now minimize Microsoft Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the additional web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, what we will do is navigate to our Gmail inbox where we have in the right hand top corner of the screen. Click on this. We should now see an email that says, this is a test email. Please see the link below, youtube.com/c/ComputerScienceVideos. I will right click this, open link in an incognito window, accept all, and there is my YouTube channel on screen for you to subscribe. So we can now quit Google Chrome, go all the way down to the dock again, go back to Microsoft Outlook, quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.